So there are two things that I would love to see come to the Nikon Z7 and Z6 in the future via firmware update and software update, which you'll hear in a second. Hey, this is Scott Weidenkivitz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to be talking about eye detection in the Nikon Z body. I'm recording this on May 15th, and Nikon just released the eye detect. I was about to record a video showing focus before and after installing the firmware update, and turns out that the eye detect is not available in video. So I couldn't really record that video. I couldn't record the second half of that video. So that one's down the drain. In the process, though, of testing eye detect, I came up with two things I would love to see Nikon do in the future. The first is, well, add eye detection to video. I don't know what the reasoning is of why it's not currently there in video. I think the Sonys don't offer it either. Whatever the reasoning is, I hope they can find a way to get past it. The second thing I would love to see Nikon do in the Z bodies in the future is add the ability for me to touch on an eye right here on the screen when I'm doing snap bridge. Now you can see right here that I am actually, my eye is in focus. It is grabbing my eye. Yeah, it is grabbing my eye. Again, I can't tell. I'm recording my iPhone right now, so hopefully if this works right, you're seeing my iPhone on the screen and not the camera footage on the screen. It would be cool if I can just tap on my eye to change which eye it's on, or tap on a face to switch to the face, or something like that. Touch control for autofocus would be really nice in snap bridge. Right now, when you're in autofocus, it's kind of like you just have to guess. So, but what is cool is I can just take a picture, and I just took a picture. I know it's going to be in focus because it was using eye detect, and you know, basic like that. So I can do another one, and I know that it's in focus because it has eye detect and it is catching my eyes with and without the glasses. Here's no glasses. And I'll show those in this on screen as well so you can see the image. Obviously not the best photo in the world, but it's just me demonstrating and testing out. So obviously this would have been much easier to film if I had the Atomos 5 or something like that, but I don't. I do have a video monitor, but it doesn't have an HDMI out or a recording device, so it's just a monitor for me to see myself when I'm filming. But yeah, those are the two things. This was a very short video. I just had my opinion. I hope Nikon sees it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.